Hey guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to install a battery in the MXR 6-band EQ pedal. This is the M109S model, so MXR's newest 6-band EQ pedal. So let's get right into it. First thing you want to do is flip the pedal on its back side and unscrew all the screws that are on the back panel. Then when you're finished with that, you want to take off the back panel and you'll see this little weird black thing attached to a red and black wire. And what you're going to want to do is just take that off gently but firmly, and it will reveal the 9-volt battery connector that you will need to attach your battery to. So once you find that, attach the battery to the cable and then screw all the screws back inside. When you've finished all that, go ahead and plug it straight into your amp and you should get the desired result. Okay, that's going to be the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe only if you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you guys next time.